Hey guys, it's me Renee. Welcome back to my channel. So as you saw in the intro today, I will be teaching you how I do my everyday makeup. And as of right now, I still have that makeup. But then yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
I can trust myself, I believe in now.
Let's start off with the base first. So of course, on a regular day, I don't really like to put a lot of makeup on, but the thing that I like to do the most is to actually cover up my scars because as you can see right now, I'm coming to you with no makeup. So I have blemishes, pimples, and marks, you know, like every other teenage girl has. So yeah, so basically I start off with the concealer because I need a lot of coverage. So what I'm using right now and what I have been using for such a long time is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. And yeah, so you just put it all over your face. So you know guys, as of right now, it's actually my break. So I'm so thankful that it's my break now because, you know, I get to do a lot of things. And what I really am looking forward to the most about break is the time that I get to spend with my family, because it has been a while since I got to spend time with them, because you know school can be so hectic, and I'm just so happy that it's finally the break now and the stress is all over so that I can hang out with them. So like, what, is it your break already? Because if it is, then comment down below what your plans are for the break, for the Christmas break and for the holidays. So yeah, right now I'm just dabbing. Oh my god, thank god the mirror didn't break. Okay, anyways, right now I'm actually using the same thing before, which is the Fit Me Foundation Matte Plus Poreless in the shade, what is this? This is the shade Warm Nude. So since I replaced a base, my base as the foundation, I just like to put a little bit of extra coverage under my eyes, on the blemishes, and then also a little bit on the forehead where my pimples are, and the blemishes as well. Sorry if I keep on looking at the viewfinder. It's because I'm kind of using it as a mirror right now. And also, sorry if it's kind of echoey because I'm filming this in the bathroom because it has the most aesthetic setting.
So that was weird. I'm so sorry if I'm so weird. I don't know what got to me. I'm so annoying there.
And once that's done, we now move on to our powder foundation to set everything. And just like what I was using before, I still use the White Super Fresh SPF 34 UV whitening long lasting two-way cake. So as you know, two-way cake means that you can wet it or you can use it dry. So I like to use it dry, and I keep all my brushes in this little pouch that again someone gave me during my 18th birthday, so thank you so much whoever gave it. And yeah, so here is that pouch over there. So I'm just using a flat foundation brush and I'm just going in on this foundation, and I'm just putting it under my eye bags again. As you guys can notice, I really need a lot of coverage on under my eyes, because you know, being a college student is tough. You don't get to sleep a lot, and it's so weird because I find that my body clock kind of was messed up when I moved to college, because usually in high school I don't like to work late at night, but then I found out that in college, I don't know, it just became a routine that I have to work late at night because, you know, there's so many requirements and everything. So yeah, but you know, now I guess I'm a night owl, but then on weekends or days like this, it's really important to get some rest and to catch up on your sleep. After setting everything up, we are now gonna use the Murumuru Butter Bronzer. And I have been using this for quite a while now, so if you can see, I've actually hit a lot of pan, and there's only a little bit left on the edges, so definitely I have to refill on this bronzer. Get some of that bronzer and we use it to just chisel out our cheekbones and our forehead so that we don't look like a white ghost. So we just do like that, give it a little swirl. I think if ever there's something that I cannot live without, it would be my bronzer, because I don't know, it just gives so much dimension to a person's face, and it gives like this little transition from your hairline going to your forehead, because it doesn't look like it's just like really white, you know, it gives it a little of that brownish glow that we're all going for. And yeah, so I like to put a lot of bronzer, as you can see, and we just use that to chisel out our cheekbones, get that shape going for us. And of course, I then use a flat brush, not flat brush, an angled fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use that to chisel out my nose. And it's not focusing. There we go. Okay, so I just use that to chisel out my nose. So since you guys know I have no nose, I have like the tiniest nose ever. So we just use it to chisel out the nose. And I can actually do this with my eyes closed.
Okay, so if you don't get that reference, then you're missing out a lot, because Kylie Jenner said that she can line her lips with her eyes closed. So yeah, so I was trying to make fun of her. Okay, thank you. Please laugh at my joke.
Oh my god, I have a nose now. Cute. So I just stepped out for a while and spritzed on some of the Mario Badescu facial spray that I use just to set everything down, and I also just let it all dry up and soak into my skin. And after that, I now move on to everyone's favorite part, which is the blush on. So on a regular day, I don't really have time to bring my whole makeup bag or makeup kit to school or to class. So what I like to use is the Sunnies Face Fluffmates. And the Sunnies Face Fluffmates is actually a multi-purpose product. You can use it as a blush on, a lipstick, or an eyeshadow base, but most of the time I like to use it as a blush on, also as an eyeshadow, and of course as a lipstick. It's very, very nice as a lipstick because it's not dry. So right now I will be using the shade Baked on my cheeks. So I just put a little dab like so. Okay, and then I get my blush brush, and then I basically just pounce, like dabbing on it. And then give it a little circular motion to blend that out. And what I like to do with my makeup is to actually connect the blush towards where I bronzed up, so that it looks like they're somehow connected. It's not like it's just suddenly pink in one area. So I like to give it that little transition. So I like to push my blush going up to also give that shape to my face. But usually I like to take this fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I dab a little bit into Baked as well, and I put a little bit of blush on around my nose to give it that sun-kissed look. And then after that, there's days, of course, I like to put the Baked on my eyelids, but as of right now, I don't really feel that way, so yeah, we're gonna skip that part. So moving on, before anything else, of course, we have to do our brows. But today, I don't know, I'm just feeling a little lazy and I don't feel like doing my brows. But on a regular day, or you know what? Let's actually just do my brows now. So I use this. It is the Face Shop Designing BrowCara. So here, you know, because again, this is like a lazy girl's hack. So I'm really lazy, in doing my brows sometimes, so I just get a brow mascara and really just focus that brow mascara at the end, and also just go a little bit to the front. We don't want to look so intense because we want to look like we're naturally beautiful without makeup. I mean with makeup. We want to look like it's natural when it's not. You know, you feel me? We now move on to the final and everyone's favorite lipstick. So this is an everyday makeup look, alright? So I don't really use highlighter, but I can put on highlighter if I'm feeling like a little extra bougie. But today I don't feel bougie, so like let's just move on. So right now I am using again the Sunnies Face Fluff Matte. This is their new packaging, the Christmas collection one, and this is in the shade Milkshake. I found that Milkshake is actually really flattering on my skin. It doesn't look too intense. But today, before putting on Milkshake on my lips, I'm gonna use my lip liner from Nichido. This is in the shade Spice. So I'm just gonna be lining out my lips so that it looks like it's a little bit thick. And then after doing that, we put the lipstick on top of it. So that is the look, all complete. So this is really what I wear usually to school on a regular lazy day. So that's basically it. So if you'd like this, I mean, thanks! Just kidding. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Oh, wait, actually I forgot something. So before ending the video, I'm gonna put on some mascara first.
So this is another example of me not knowing how to talk on camera. Like, what am I saying?
Eyelash extensions. In the past few videos you've been watching, that's why I wasn't really putting on mascara. But on the days where I don't have lash extensions, I like to use this. It is the Loreal Lash Paradise. And what I like about this is it really extends your eyelashes. So we're gonna be putting that on as our last step. And today I really don't feel like curling up my eyelashes. I'm so tamad today, guys. I'm so sorry. And if you guys are wondering where I got my eyelash extensions from the last videos, it is from Ula Lash. I got it in MOA, but they also have branches in Makati and other areas. Do you see the mascara? It is very nice. So that wraps up this whole makeup look. And if you like it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And leave a subscribe down below if you're new here, and turn on your notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I post a new video. And also leave a comment down below on all the things that you would like to see on my channel. And with that, I shall see you guys next Friday. So I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and bye.